great to meet you. Team
You don't have to put a
Pixel.
Say dongle to me again.
Dongle. 5. I got the pan.
What kind of tacos are those? Show me the meat.
Called the carne
Oh, frick, yeah.
asada.
Oh.
What'd you think, Dakota?
Oh, that's a...
Hi, Dakota.
Hi!
So, what we got here? Okay, ready? What do you think that is, Dakota?
Oh my goodness.
Tell me.
What I think it is.
Tell me what you think this is.
Is that a phone?
How did you know?
Is that a dildo,
You are-
John?
Dakota, you know what I got?
What'd you get?
I got the Google Pixel 2 XL. Dude, at 5 in the morning, Wednesday, I ordered it and it just got here on Thursday and it was free shipping.
It got here in 1 day.
Yeah, it's waterproof. Okay, I can submerge it. I can shower with this thing. Take some nudes.
You can Snapchat while you're in the shower.
Oh, that'd be nice.
Yeah, that's hot, bro.
That is not Team
You don't have to put a
Pixel.
plastic bag around it like my cousin when he was...
He used to do that. Who is ring-a-ling-a-ling-ding-ding? Okay, pause.
I'm just wondering why a lot of people have been just sending me, and they just send me pictures of their faces with no text on it.
Ew. That's disgusting.
I don't know you.
Dakota, do you ever do that? You ever send pics to girls at a random?
Pics to girls.
Are they
just-
random?
Like after getting out of the shower or something?
I'm not gross, okay?
Yeah, nasty. What are we doing here again? Oh! Who has ever done an unboxing while on the road, huh? Who has ever done that? I don't know. I never seen it.
It kind of sucks for me. I can't really look.
Yeah, you want to see this new product? Well, keep your eyes on the road. That guy literally almost killed us.
That's okay.
Ooh, look at that. Look at this.
Ooh, you got the panda, eh?
I got the Panda. I got the 64 gig version, Dakota.
Alright.
You think that's enough?
It's okay. It's enough.
I mean, I take a lot of nudes.
Hey, it's got unlimited online storage for photos and videos, so
It
whatever.
does. Good point.
Unlimited online storage for Google Photos.
Whatever he said. So all the nudes you gotta take, just store them on there, right?
There you go.
Let's open this little tab here. Okay. Kind of hard to do one-handed, Dakota. Maybe this was a bad idea, you know.
Oh wow, it's a cord.
It's a cord and a dongle. That
Say
is
dongle
neat.
to me again.
Dongle, you like this dongle, huh? What is this thing? Can you tell me something about this, Dakota?
That's the USB Type-C to USB Type-A adapter, so you can transfer all of your data from your old phone, even if it's Apple.
All my nudes?
Yep.
Wow, that is
Where to?
great. Oh, look at that. I got the fast charger up in there. The suspense. Look at it, Dakota.
Where to?
You see the dicks?
Yeah, I see 2 dicks in front of me.
I bet you.
Yeah, I can't wait until you can use that phone for vlogging, because this kind of is irritating.
It's a little too big for you?
Yeah, it's a little too big.
What she said. Are you ready for this? Ooh.
Oh my
Ta-da,
goodness.
man. Look at this. Oh,
Wow, what a
my
piece of Just kidding. One from
Say that to Google.
You can try to buy me one so that you can convince me to like it, you know? I wouldn't mind.
For you,
I wouldn't
so
mind
you guys
either,
know.
honestly.
You already like it.
I bought this
Let me see.
after they revealed the Galaxy S9. So,
Ooh, let me open it.
this, what the heck?
Well, you're talking too much.
Ooh, it feels nice in the hand. It's a good length. I like
Yeah, take it. Oh, I like the presentation.
Ooh, look at that.
Look
Oh
at that
my
6-inch
goodness.
screen.
Yeah, screen.
Ooh, look at that sexiness. Oh,
Cues
yeah.
Ding, ding, ding.
That orange light. It is a big
Does that
phone.
battery?
It is a. This one?
Oh, wow, it opens with Google.
Oh, it does have that blue tab. I don't know about that. You see it?
Yeah.
A little bit. It's not that
I
bad.
thought they fixed that.
Every phone has it.
No, it
True, I noticed that on my iPhone last night. iPhones have it, so whatever. Look at this. This is my iPhone 6. That's a big difference. I'm
This
so
is
used to the smaller one.
iPhone 6 Plus.
Oh,
It's like
About the same size, but
Hey,
bigger
nice.
Oh,
screen.
without-
screen. You guys convinced me to get the XL. This is my first time with a big phone.
I mean, look, you've got so much of
Oh,
a
true.
top chin.
Don't make fun of my chin, okay?
Yeah. What are you trying to say?
Making fun of my chin. You said I have a big chin.
Let's set this up. That's
What
cool.
is today? Oh, it's March the 1st. Wow. It's already March. What time is it? Isn't it supposed to automatically do this?
Yeah, it should if you had your SIM card in it.
Great. Okay. Now you tell me.
Why don't you just put in your SIM
I
card,
don't
bro?
want to. I don't want to write it. What's my name?
Ugly.
Oh,
What?
thanks. Unlock with Pixel Imprint. You. Is it a pen?
Joel DLP.
Can I see it through your glasses?
Touch the sensor. Okay. Touching it.
Bring it up and off.
Oh, okay.
There you go.
Wow, you're smart.
No, he's not. Don't lie to him.
Wow.
You're gonna add some more fingers?
You can add more fingers?
Yes.
Help apps find location?
Yeah.
No!
I would do yeah.
No!
Have a baby. It'll be fun, they said.
Send system data? No! Okay, agree. I agree. Anything else you want to add, Dakota?
I think you should have had them checked, but that's just.
Why? So they can track me?
I don't
So
think
they
you're
can
that important.
find me?
Damn.
Oh, damn!
When he's not even offended. He's more impressed.
That's good. Like, oh, no, thank you. Just a sec. Wow, that was like a sec. Wow, that's great
sec?
timing. It
Oh, look at that.
moves. It moves.
I love those waves. Dude, I'm digging that.
Oh, it's literally just stock, huh? There's nothing. Nothing on it. It's simple. It's great. It works.
I'm
I
so
just-
happy that the internet is full of dog videos and pictures.
We're in the middle of an unboxing here.
Yeah, you're kind of interrupting here.
I'm part of this.
I need to get more apps. I need to install Tinder.
Alright.
What?
You can see your pores.
You can see my pores?
Yeah. Why is it better than my eyesight? Why can't I see it better than I...
Twist it. There you go.
I got broads in Atlanta, just at the lean, the family, credit cards in the
It does have a nice
She's just using it like, what the hell? It's the
What's that
best
mega-
camera you can find on a phone right
the
now.
mezzos hizzles on this.
Let's check the software on this.
What is that?
It's a squid. Android Oreo. So, oh, it's got NFC, cast. Oh, I love their setup. It's so much simpler. Honestly, Android Beam, NFC, Chromecast, Bluetooth,
You're in love with this thing.
USB Connect, and there's obviously nothing connected. You can have your printers set up here for your work. Oh my god, I want it. You got 60. How long do you want your sleep-in activity? Right now it's set to 30 seconds.
3 minutes.
You want it 2 minutes or 5 minutes? There's no in between, bud.
What the heck? I wanted 3 minutes and 30 seconds. Make it happen. Alright, 5 minutes. You know, we're gonna have to do an actual review later.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's do that.
Stay tuned, guys. Google Pixel 2 XL, black and white, 64 gigs. More specs to come.
Oh my goodness, this is probably why you don't do the unboxing on the road.